Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Pete 389 factory built glider kit. It's built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. It's got 900,000 total miles on it and 50,000 miles on a complete engine overhaul. I've got it fired up, hot, ready to show you this afternoon. So I'm going to show you frame rails, blow by, tires, brakes, finish up on the inside with interior and oil pressure. Let's go ahead and get started. Just came out of detail, everything polished up. Excellent steers. Blow by is phenomenal. Body overall is in good shape along with the paint, but you do have a few blemishes. Spot on the fender. Not gotten into the fender itself, but more so the paint. The scuff there. Fender's not cracked, so that's still good. Got some rock chips right up in the front. Scratch on the back side there. Just old letters that didn't get off in detail. If you look real close, you'll see some rock dings in the back. Overall pretty good though. If you get underneath, see a little dent on the underneath side of the fuel tank. You don't see it from the exterior or walk around, but if you crawled up underneath, you'd see that. Frame rail's in good shape. Tires back here in real good shape. Virgin rubber. All aluminum wheels. Air slide fifth wheel. Good brakes. Platinum interior. Nice coffin sleeper back there. Interior's clean. Some normal wear with the in the seats for 900,000 miles. Extra gauges. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs, and the oil pressure climbs exactly like it's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.